heart beats over 100,000 times a day, pumping life into every corner of your body. Now, imagine what happens if it slows down, not because of age, but because of choices you make daily. Most of us don't realize it, but some of the smallest habits we ignore can put our hearts at risk. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change that. These are 10 habits that not only improve your heart health, but can also add years to your life. And trust me, some of these will surprise you. Make sure you stay until the end because each habit builds a foundation for the next, and your heart deserves every ounce of care you can give it. And hey, if you care about staying healthy and informed, hit that subscribe button now. We've got more life-changing tips just for you. Number 1. Stay physically active. Every time you take a step, your heart thanks you. Regular physical activity, like walking, swimming, or cycling for just 30 minutes a day, keeps your heart strong by improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be intense. Even small efforts like parking further away or choosing the stairs can add up. The secret? Consistency. Think about it. When was the last time you moved for your heart? Start small today and let it build into a daily habit that strengthens your most vital organ. Number 2. Eat a heart-healthy diet. What's on your plate can either fuel or fight your heart. A heart-healthy diet is packed with colorful fruits, leafy greens, whole grains, and omega-3 rich foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. These foods reduce inflammation and keep your blood vessels healthy. On the flip side, processed foods, sugary drinks, and excess salt work against your heart, increasing blood pressure and cholesterol. Here's a question for you. What's one healthy swap you can make today? Maybe a handful of nuts instead of chips or water instead of soda. Your heart will notice the difference. Number 3. Manage stress effectively. Stress might feel like it's all in your head, but it takes a toll on your heart. It raises your blood pressure, strains your heart, and disrupts its rhythm. Finding ways to manage stress is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even journaling can help. Have you ever tried taking 5 minutes out of your day to simply breathe? Start now. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways to show your heart some love. Number 4. Get enough quality sleep. Your heart never sleeps, but it needs you to. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night. Poor sleep can lead to high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes, all enemies of a healthy heart. Create a bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Ask yourself, do you wake up refreshed or tired? If it's the latter, your heart might be quietly asking for better rest. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Water isn't just for quenching your thirst. It keeps your blood flowing smoothly and prevents clots. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, more if you're active or in a warm climate. Dehydration makes your heart work harder, which can lead to fatigue and long-term strain. Keep a water bottle handy as a visual reminder and start sipping. Your heart will feel the difference. Number 6. Quit smoking and avoid secondhand smoke. Smoking is like poison for your heart. It weakens your blood vessels, damages the lining of your arteries, and increases your blood pressure, leading to a higher risk of heart disease and stroke. Even if you've smoked for years, quitting today can start to heal your body. Within 24 hours, your blood pressure begins to improve, and within a year, your risk of heart disease drops by half. That's powerful. If you're not a smoker, don't think you're completely safe. Being around secondhand smoke is dangerous too. It contains harmful chemicals that can still damage your heart. So, choose smoke-free environments whenever you can. Think about this. Every single breath of clean air you take is a step toward a stronger, healthier heart. Your heart will thank you every day. Number 7. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol might seem harmless or even beneficial in small amounts, but drinking too much can harm your heart. Excessive alcohol raises your blood pressure, increases cholesterol, and can lead to irregular heart rhythms. To keep your heart safe, women should stick to no more than 1 drink a day, while men can have up to 2. And if you don't drink alcohol, there's absolutely no reason to start. Instead, focus on habits that strengthen your heart, like staying active or eating heart-healthy foods. Moderation is key, and cutting back can bring long-term benefits to your overall health. What would happen if you replaced that extra glass of wine with water or herbal tea? Try it and see how much better you feel. Your heart will feel better too. Number 8. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying extra weight puts stress on your heart. It's like asking your heart to run a marathon every day without rest. This extra strain increases your risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, and bad cholesterol, all of which lead to heart problems. But here's the truth. Losing weight isn't about extreme diets or impossible goals. It's about finding balance. Eat wholesome, nutritious meals, stay active, and make small, realistic changes that you can stick to over time. Celebrate your victories, even if they're small. Lost half a pound this week? That's progress. And don't forget, regular exercise and mindful eating are about more than numbers on a scale. They're about feeling better and giving your heart the care it deserves. Number 9. Monitor your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. High blood pressure and cholesterol are often called silent killers because they have no clear symptoms, yet they quietly damage your heart over time. This is why regular checkups with your doctor are so important. Knowing your numbers allows you to take action before it's too late. If your levels are high, lifestyle changes like eating more fiber, exercising regularly, and reducing sodium in your diet can help. Sometimes medication might be necessary, but that's okay. Managing your heart health is what matters. When was the last time you had these levels checked? If it's been a while, make that appointment now. Prevention is powerful, and every step you take to monitor your health brings you closer to a strong, happy heart. Number 10. Laugh and build strong relationships. You've heard it before, but laughter really is the best medicine. It doesn't just boost your mood, it also lowers stress hormones, improves blood circulation, and protects your heart. Spending time with people who make you smile strengthens your social bonds, which is great for your emotional well-being and your heart health. Think about it. When was the last time you laughed so hard your stomach hurt? Make it a point to surround yourself with people who bring joy and positivity into your life. Even a quick phone call or a coffee chat with a friend can do wonders for your heart. After all, happiness is contagious, and your heart feels every bit of it. Your heart works nonstop for you, every second of every day. Isn't it time you gave back? Start with these habits today. If you found these tips helpful, hit the subscribe button and join our community for more ways to live a healthier, happier life. Your heart deserves the best, and so do you. Let's take this journey together, one habit at a time.